just put up with some G's. He got a pack, we gon' get him. I had a bum in a denim. They gon' play.
Alright, so this is gonna be a how to peg manual or how to peg wheelie like tutorial. We did the how to wheelie tutorial a while back and we both wasn't good. But now we can do more stuff, so I'm gonna come out with like more tutorials and stuff. So this is gonna be how to pick it up from pegs, how to transition from like wheelie to pegs, how to land pegs, everything like that. So I'm gonna go first and then he's gonna go. So there's two ways. You can do like both feet and pick it up, or you can just do 1 foot. For me, 2 feet is easier. But like I see him use 1 foot a lot more, so I don't know. To me it's like 1 foot like goes off my balance a little bit. But the whole thing from picking up from pegs is just to lean back. Just don't use your arms or anything. You just gotta just throw all your weight back and the bike will go up. And you want to use the brakes as least as you can. Because the more you use the brakes, the slower you go. So you want to just use your body to balance it and then use the brakes when you really need to. So I'm gonna show you one right now with both feet. See how like when I'm about to drop it, I use my left leg to kick it back up. So that's like when you see people like peg wheeling for a long time, they move their leg a lot because you don't use the brake. You want to just use your leg to stay at that balance point, either swing up to go down or swing the leg back to go back. So that's really how to keep it up and stuff. And you just want to like just stay in that one balance point, use your hips and your body to just like stay in that one spot and just try not to use the brakes. And that's how you keep it up like further and further.
Me, I pick it up with 1 foot. Every time we wheelie, we do something different. Like before on the how to wheelie tutorial, he used his right foot to wheelie and I use my left foot to wheelie. I use my left foot on the peg and I kick my leg up when I pick up the bike from the peg. I'll show you. And I also like start from wheeling to peg to back to wheelie. I'll show you.
See how he kicks his leg up like he uses one leg?
Go back down to the seat.
Yeah, he goes back to the seat first. Like me, I just go to pedals. I don't sit down first.
I sit down. Like I jump. I don't jump to it, but I like go.
How to land it from pegs. Like I'm gonna pick it up from pegs and I'm gonna land into a wheelie. When I do it, because I have an Enduro and it has gears, my pedals don't move like once I stop pedaling. So mine's is always gonna be in the right position. So like if you're on like a big rip or something, then it might spin a little bit. So you might have to kick it back and then land it. But in this, you always stay in the right position. So I'm gonna show you what I'll do, like what I do. I just jump right to pedals. I'm gonna go really fast and just like show y'all how like use your body to keep it up, like swing your leg back and forth and stuff like that. Alright, make sure y'all go follow my Instagram at libw.h_blocks. I post pretty constantly, like at least like 3-4 times a week. And make sure y'all go follow Bullseye too. They've been showing us mad love, sending us everything we need. So y'all go follow their Instagram, go check out their website. They got some crazy stuff on there. They got cranks, their crank setups are crazy. So make sure y'all go follow them and check their stuff out. And make sure y'all go follow the cameraman, you know, the little kid on the bike that was riding back and forth. I don't know who he is. But make sure y'all go follow his Instagram. It's at libw.8i_blocks. He don't really be posting though, so I don't know if y'all want to follow him or not, but it's up to y'all.